Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. Hope you're doing good. It is Monday, June 15th at about 3:55 in the PM. It's a good day. Short ride over taking care of a couple things. Laundry. Never get done with laundry. No matter what, you're always wearing dirty clothes. Even if you just put them on, they're a little dirty because they got your, yeah. We love that stuff, don't we? Uh, anyway, let's see. Got up and yesterday and went up for a quick run up and checked on ferry prices and timing. So, yay. I'm planning on doing the Philippine Loop. Uh, said probably next year for my birthday. So, yeah, get over there and do that. Probably be most of a month doing it, but okay. So I got to start saving, but I also still want to go out and have fun, live life. So fun stuff. I don't know. Anyway, got out and got that done yesterday and ate and gassed up the bike and rode back uh, just to the north end of the island, about 70 kilometers or so. Not much, but a fun little ride. The thing I'm trying to use isn't working for tracking. I'm going to try something else, give it a go, see if I can get it to work on my run out to go pick my laundry up here in about a half hour. Uh, yeah, I don't know how to do some of these things. Getting your phone to track you, it knows how to do it, but to let you in on it, yeah, I haven't figured that part out yet. I know it can be done some way or another. There's several apps that say that you can use our app to do this. I ain't figured it out yet, but life goes on. It is what it is. But yeah, trying to get things figured out as to that is putting me, you know, into looking for routes. And there's a couple pieces that I figured out on the computer, not the phone, how to save that route, and it can send it to your phone. This is probably going to be, I'm going to try that as an option also and see if it shows up that way and I can track my way through. Haven't got that far yet, but I still got most of tonight to take and figure it out before I go to, before I call it a day. Try to get up early and get some other things done tomorrow. So much fun. Get out on the road and ride. Uh, yeah. Get out on the road and enjoy the road, just riding down it. And I was watching a video that was saying that Mindanao has real good roads. So, yay, that's a good idea. But that's a whole other island, and that'll be part of the loop part. But tomorrow, I know the roads. Some of them are actually very good. Some of them are, yeah, shake your teeth out of your mouth. And yeah, I actually had somebody, I was riding yesterday and I'm crossing the island and this guy waves me down. And I stop and I say, okay, come on, I'll give you a ride. Gave him a ride. I hit one of those spots I didn't know. And yeah, I'm pretty sure he's not going to ask a Kano for a ride again. Because I tried to stop real good, real fast, and he wasn't prepared for it. I guess most folks there are used to it and just hit it without thinking about it. I didn't. I tried to stop to go over it or down it. Yeah, one of those go from road to dirt. Yeah, but he survived. We didn't wreck. He got off when we got over to the other side of the island. Tubalon, Tabalon, something like that. Anyway, he got off and went his way. I went mine. So, yay! Uh, wasn't exactly expecting to give somebody a ride yesterday, but it happened. I'm okay with that. But like I said, I got up there, checked on the timing, and checked at another place for the timing on going to a different island. There's boats going all over the place around here. Any city that's on the coast possibly has a some sort of a pier, and if they've got a pier, there's quite possibly a row of some sort going in or out of it, unless it's one of the real small ones, and then it might just be a bonka boat. But I've seen motorcycles on bonka boats. Yeah, I'm not going to try that, I don't think, but I've seen it. It's it's doable. Not exactly my idea of the greatest thing to do, but it's doable. Anyway, I thought I would get here and let y'all. I told you I was going to try to get here at least every other day, so I'm trying. Uh, Still got to go pick my laundry up and get this posted up. So yay! And check my emails. I got a few I gotta answer. Uh, then I'm back here and unload the laundry. So yay! Put up all that laundry that keeps getting back into a bag to go back to the laundry. Vicious circle, really it is. Anyway, Williams, Philippines, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, more food. Uh, Comment if you want to, like, subscribe, uh, do what you want to do. It's your choice. It's one of the things I like about being here. It's my choice, and I'm choosing it, and I'm enjoying it. If you can retire, not having a job is very nice. Even if you have to do it on the other side of the planet, because the economy over there in America is really ridiculous. Don't get me wrong, it's making it harder over here. I've seen some prices that boy, that Iran Strait thing. Yeah, gas prices are up. They've come down, but they're still up. Uh, yeah. Anyway, later blessings and bye bye. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and more food. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out. Bye.